Hey guys, hope you're doing so well and amazing. It's your girl Lynette, and yeah, I come from Uganda, East Africa, and I welcome you to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I know I've been so lost for a couple of weeks, if not like weeks, almost a month, or if not a month, and I'm so happy to have you again. It's all green, and up in those trees I've already seen some monkeys, and I have something to share about with you guys. It's beautiful. I hope you give me your ears. So we are going to be talking about what is it? Oh, outfit check. Look at that floral dress. Oh my god, I look so pretty, cute, beautiful in this dress, and so smart. I like it. I love it. I love it. Yes, I rocked it. Trust me, guys. Checking some outfit. First and foremost, you guys, my guys, I'm going to be showing you this water as I judge you how I actually came here. First and foremost, it's my first time being here. I've never been here, and I've always, heard about it, and people talk about a lot. Already I've seen some monkeys. It's beautiful. The waters, as you can see, so very beautiful, so calm. I've ran away from the other side because there is so much music going on, and I don't want to have copyrights, what I'm telling you about. And but firstly, the view is beautiful. Guys, I'm seeing some baby monkeys. Banange. Okay, like literally, I'm not a friend to these wild animals, and just know I'm not at ease. Oh my god. They are so... How many are they? 1, 2, 3. There are like 5 of them. My god, there are so many even in that tree. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay, anyway, let me mind my business. I hope they will also mind their business and they won't disturb my peace.
I look at you, you make me blind. Why do you have to be so beautiful all the time? I know I can't.
So guys, I'm seated near the lake, or maybe the island, I don't know. This is like an island, and this is like water. It's an island, and it stretches that far. And this is my view. The sun is setting just now. So anyways, guys, the sun is setting, as you can see, and I have these palm trees here, and that's my view. As I'm going to be sharing this, so that's my view. I'm liking it because it's giving me a peace of mind and a fresh start. So anyways, let's go through what I'm going to be sharing today. so far away from the road, and poor me who came without a car or nothing. If it was not by God's grace that I saw, what is it called? Like I saw, what is it called? Okay, like I met someone who was coming to the resort, to pick some people they had dropped in the morning who works at a certain different resort. I don't know. It would take me a long while to reach here. So if you're coming here, make sure you have like a means. I don't even know how I'm going to get out of here, because literally everyone that is here have their cars. Oh my God, see these beautiful birds. And the prices, they are not like hiked, but and they are not overrated, but I mean I'd not planned. I mean the entrance fee itself is like, I don't know what to say, like it is expensive. And yeah, like a soda that I buy for 1,000 Ghana shillings, here you can get it at 4,000. I didn't even go through their menu to see what's up, but this is how it looks like when you're here. You can, you can do swings, you can do zip lining, and you can do volleyball. I see some people doing volleyball right there. They have a beautiful restaurant. Oh my God, the waters here are everything. Whew. This is Kaazi Beach Resort. So guys, I have shown you my view and where I am right now. I'm at a resort beach called Kaazi Beach. It is in Busabala, and it's some like cool resort. And I wanted to have like a me time outside home, outside the places that I knew. So I came to try this for the very first time. And I'm telling you, if you have your money and you want to spend, and you, like, it is a good, a good place to be. You could do like speed boating. People have been doing so. You have a nice meal here. They have an amazing restaurant. They have a swimming pool also. They have like sports to do like badminton. I saw like chess. I saw like volleyball. I'm going to be showing you in a bit, but in the meantime, let's first talk about it. You see what I'm talking about? So guys, first and foremost, what I wanted to do is not what I'm doing right now. Like, I'm super like quaking. I don't know what to record, I don't know what to leave, but as you can see, I'm just right next to the water, the lake, and it's like a little island, as you can see. Oh my gosh. Let me do like this. You see that? Oh, that's like a little island, and some kids are doing zip lining right there. Like so much is happening anyways, and it's beautiful.